Hello everybody, my name is Ben Stiegelmeyer, the auctioneer with Integrity Auctioneers, and we are just outside of beautiful Carrington at the Jeff Thurer Estate Auction. This is going to be an online auction that will close August 6th in the evening, so be sure to check it out at www.integrity.bid. There's some highlighted items that I would like to show to you. Right here we have a 2012 Toyota Prius, just right around 130,000 miles on it. Good running, driving. It's a hybrid, so I'm not sure if it runs or not, but it will go down the road. Another item of interest that I'd like to show you folks, we have the Fed Fry. This is a large chunk of lead. Not sure how heavy it is, but it's pretty heavy and it's gonna stay right there. Lots of garden tools, and let's head over to the other garage. Here we have a Starcraft 16-foot fishing boat, and this is ready to go. It has a Mercury outboard motor on the back, Minn Kota trolling motor on the front, and check it out folks. Just outside we have another boat, an older fishing boat as well, so be sure to check that out. Also on that side, if you want to show them, Justin, we have the snowblower, and that is basically brand new, I do believe. Back over here we have an Eskimo Quick Flip 3 ice house bicycle here, and let's head on in to show you all the shop items. Jeff was an accomplished woodworker, and as you can see behind me, he took a lot of pride in his work. He had high quality, good tools, and let's check out these right here. We have a clay pigeon thrower, we have a carbon dioxide tank there, and an air compressor, shop vac. Check this out folks, we have a brand new DeWalt miter saw with the stand. Lots of good tools and a few collectibles. Check out this Model Toys scraper there. That's in pretty good condition. And check this out folks, we have a Shopsmith multi combination power tool thing here. It has a boring, the planer, joiner, scroll saw, sanders. This has everything you need if you are a woodworker. Check it out folks. This is gonna sell as a package right here. Here are some of Jeff's projects that he was working on. He, like we said, he was a wood carver, fish sculptures, and lots of wood projects and many pieces of wood. If you are a wood carver or you want to get into it, or if you have a few too many marshmallows, these would work for you also. Here we have a brand new Delta Boss bench spindle grinder. A lot of Dremel tools for wood carving or anything else. And then just over here we have the Shopsmith bandsaw tool right here. And then check this out folks, there's a lot of fishing equipment, so much. It's hard to go into detail on it all, but he was an accomplished fisherman as well. Check it all out folks, www.integrity.bid to see the whole catalog. There's many other household items as well. Check it out folks. August 6th, get your bids in before 6 p.m. Thank you.